Exciting news for MLB Tool users. The MQB key function has officially launched. Simply use your MLB tool with the dedicated adapter to calculate MQB48 IMO data. No dashboard disassembly is required. Effortlessly add MQB48 keys. Let's demonstrate using an OBDII365. First, open the software and switch to MQB mode. Locate the corresponding wiring diagram. Remove the capacitor from the original keyboard. Solder it to the cable. And secure it. Install the adapter and place the key in the recognition area. Connect the device to your computer, then click Identify Key. Collect key data. The system will automatically upload it for server calculation. Confirm verification when prompted. Then save the IMO data file. Now begin the programming process. Open the engine HUD and connect the tablet. Enter IMO programming and select the MQB48 system. Start by generating a dealer key. Load the IMO file. Select OBDII, choose normal dealer key. Then select Add key. Place the original key followed by the new key. Generation successful. Proceed to key learning. Get the code from IMO data. There are 3 keys in total. Load the IMO data file. Bring the first key near the sensing area and confirm. Repeat for the second and third keys. Programming complete. All remote and smart functions work normally. There are 2 important notes that correct capacitor removal is crucial for recognition, and we need to restore the capacitor before IMO programming. Choose Xhorse for continuously upgraded benefits. Don't forget to like and follow us. See you in the next video.